G'day, it's Glenn from Wurth, and today I'm talking about our Bright Zinc. Now this spray provides a fantastic coating against corrosion and rust. It finishes in a shiny, bright metallic. Comes in a 400ml canister, easy to apply, comes out in a spray, give it a shake. Highly adhesive to all steel and metals. Generally, I'd recommend 2 coats. It's quick drying and fantastic for spot welding. A long-term solution for protection against corrosion and rust. Now, if you have any questions, don't forget to put in our comments and like our page. And remember, Bright Zinc, ready for work.